Hello darlings, today we'll be creating a holographic festival makeup look using only 2 shades of eyeshadow and a whole lot of glitter. To get started, I'm first creating a natural feathered brow using the NYX Eyebrow Cake Powder in dark brown, and then I'm priming my face with the City Color Primer Oil. Next, I'm mixing the Urban Decay Naked Skin Foundation in 0.5 and the Buxom Divine Goddess Luminizer for a glowy and dewy finish. For concealer, I'm using my new favorite, the Makeup Revolution Concealer in C1, and then I'm setting and contouring my face with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Contour Kit. Now finally onto the more fun part of the look, I'm using the Urban Decay Cheap Shot Blush from the Backtalk palette, and then I'm applying the Holographic Disco Stick and blending that out with my fingers. I'm then layering the Disco Queen highlighter, which is going to make the highlight even more intense and blinding. Now for eyeshadow, I'm first applying a pink shade from the Morphe 35B palette, and then I'm applying a purple shade to my crease as well. I'm also applying both of these shades to my lower lash line, and now it's time to add some glitter. I'm applying this shade from the Glitter on Majestic palette to my eyes and even topping off my highlight a bit as well. Now it's time for the finishing touches, which includes some Afromika lashes, the Urban Decay 24/7 Glide-On Eye Pencil in Zero, and the Buxom Big Tease Mascara. I'm also applying some Lancôme hologram glitter to the inner corner of my eye using the NYX Glitter Primer. Finally, for lips, I'm using another new Urban Decay product, the Hi-Fi Shine Lip Gloss in Candy Flip, and then I'm setting my face with the All Nighter Setting Spray. And that's the finished look. Let me know in the comments below if you're attending any festivals this year. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you next time.